regulate any fishing of this watershed, and we're damn bad too. But you can't be any tweak off the street. You gotta be handy with the reel, if you know what I mean. Earn your meat. Yeah.
Got a good one.
No, yeah, it's a cat.
There you
Little
go.
baby cat.
It's a baby cat.
Anybody want him? Throwing him back. Damn. No.
That's just a little 3-second show we're getting.
Get out of here. Nobody makes him bleed his own blood.
Oh, there you go.
Not on this boat.
Looks like a 2-pounder at least.
Oh, this is a good one.
Oh.
Oh, he running. He running.
Oh, is there a channel in my eyes?
My dad died.
Yeah, I heard it's a channel.
Big boy.
You pull up
a big old crappie.
Uncle Luke thinks
monster crappie.
it's a smallmouth.
What is it, Aunt?
Couldn't tell you yet. Probably a channel, small one.
Yeah, you could caught him on 0 minnows too.
Come on, bitch.
There gotta be a channel from it. It's biting and shit.
You ain't lying.
Share all my fucking. I can hear them bubbles from here.
What the fuck is this thing?
Yeah, I think it's big, whatever it is.
It's a gar.
Oh. Is it a gar? It's coming up.
Damn.
We've got color.
Is
Got
that
color.
Give me the fucking spear. It's a channel.
Channel. That's nice. It's like 3-4 pounds. I don't know.
Ah,
I'm just guessing.
Where's my channel there?
Just guessing. Hell yeah.
Some of the best fishing I've done. I feel like the poach is so much easier. Yeah. I ain't got to worry about snags.
You want this one, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Damn, that is a decent guy. Is that one pregnant or no?
Man, he was on the bottom.
He's taking a deuce everywhere though.
He just shit himself because Bill's been blowing the bubbles all day. He had to come up.
Oh, it's on. Oh, you fucking bit me.
Hold on, let me get this one quick.
It was double hook.
Hey, Bill, we're gonna need your shirt back here.
You gotta check it off your back.
Are you getting a bite again?
I hope not. I wasn't looking.
The minute. Yeah, that is a decent one.
Little help.
You come and get him.
You know what, Bill? I don't like your attitude anymore.
Yeah, my daughter stopped going fishing at like 4. She don't like going no more.
You said, fuck that. My daughter used to like going with me. There you go. Yeah, you must have something. A blue cat on.
Oh my god.
Keep fighting. Don't pull it too hard now.
I ain't even rolling it in yet.
Yeah, let it
Channel,
pull a
damn
little
it,
bit.
Just let him do all the work. Dude, this is gonna be the biggest fish we got here.
Get the camera going.
Dude, I thought it was
Somebody get the camera going. Where's your phone?
Oh, I got it.
Do I reel it in there?
Get the phone too.
Just reel it in.
It ain't doing anything.
All right. What you want to do is just kind of pop it up if you can, and then go down and reel up.
He's
Go
tugging.
down.
He's tugging.
Oh
yeah,
yeah,
just
hell yeah.
All right, go down and reel up. Now pop them up.
You're a monster.
What the hell you have, boy?
I have no idea, but it's a big one. This is the blue cat.
This might be the blue cat. Oh,
Yeah,
all right,
just-
go down and reel up again. Yep,
Yeah.
just keep doing the same motion.
This might take a while.
Something big.
Oh my
Yeah.
god. My wrist hurts.
Just take it. Let him get tired.
Yeah. Well, as long as he quits fighting, you can go. Yeah, see, right now he's fine. You can't reel in. What was that?
Yeah, just take your
Don't worry about
time.
that damn
Now,
beat.
now do it.
No pressure. Everybody's watching.
Even the camera.
Even the minnows. Saw some bubbles though.
Bass. Yeah, that ain't no damn
Nah.
bass, boy.
He a lunker.
That has to be a fucking catfish, dude. Oh, I see color. Catfish.
There we go.
Bring him over here.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Is that-
Channel.
Hey, bring it over.
10
Don't
pounds?
mess it up. Your line. Bring it over.
Well,
Oh.
No, did he snap?
Oh. Jimbo slice. Oh, ooh.
Hell yeah.
Good ass slap.
I wish Crappie would fight like catfish.
Get a big mouth back. Damn it, Jimmy. It came back.
Jim ain't fucking around. He went from last to first place.
I think this. Damn, another small chance.
Oh, that channel. Now Bill's gonna be using all over here.
You going back, bud? Take it easy.
Yeah, Bill, because you're kind of.
Yeah.
That's pretty Crappie,
Yeah, this one's bigger. I think it's a catfish. We're gonna be pulling.
Dude, the walleye are over here too.
Might be a smallmouth. That's this one.
Oh, this is bigger than a smallmouth.
Get the camera out. Got your camera on, Jim?
Yeah.
My man.
Oh, he's running towards the front. He's running towards the anchor.
Big one. Might be big.
It might be the one that you let go of.
He ran to the other side.
It's too big. I'll put it back there.
This time I got it.
Damn, what the hell you got?
Hell yeah.
Oh, I got a big one too.
Damn, Jim. Oh, dude, that's a big one, dude.
Oh,
Oh, that's a good shot, channel, boy.
he ain't coming off. Hey, take these?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I got a big one too. I want to really see him.
Oh my god. Shut up. Ooh, stab myself. It's a channel.
That's a decent. That's a big one. Ooh. Hell yeah, Jim. Can't even get that.
I'm too fat. Can't get up.
Shit, we might need another bucket where we're going, boys.
Ooh. Give him one of these. Oh, missed.
Did you have one?
Yeah.
Sound like you need another minute. I'm trying to get on Jim's problem.
And
Nice little trap.
What a fucking dickhead. Get out of here, shit.
take the wave.
That's the channel.
Channel? Channel? Oh, it's a wiper. That's a white bass, actually.
Right there?
Yeah. Wipers are longer. You can tell by the tongue, though. The tongue should have 2 stripes if it's a wiper. Oh, doubles.
You gotta fight on each other's line. That's a small one. What are you talking about? A good one.
No, he said it was
About 8. Oh, yeah, that's about 11, 12,
What's a crappie keeper?
10.
Diamond needs another one, so he needs to blow for at least 2 minutes.
Yeah, each time you need a minute, it's an extra 5 minutes.
2 minutes apiece.
We eat through it back?
Yeah.
Got a little more pride. I'm trying to catch my own.
Try to catch my own. Throw that motherfucker out there.
Tired of these hand meows.
I'm over here
No, I
trying
gotta
to be
give
a
it
fucking
Ready?
live for the party, and you guys are over here busting my chops. Put the bucket in the back and let answers blow in there. I bet your mother was here, she'd be able to blow
You know
this the whole
what?
time.
You know what? Put the fucking bucket in the back. Let Ant blow this shit.
No, but you're doing a
No
good job.
fucking homo.
Hey, you know what? You're walking back to the boat, or to the car, you hear me?
I think pretty good.
I think Bill's doing pretty good too.
Bill is doing pretty good with those minutes.
Yeah.
You keep some minutes alive and channel cats start biting.
Hey, Bill, keep blowing the bubbles. It's part of the strategy.
Don't hear no bubbles blowing over there.
Somebody's got to keep the $25 in minnows alive.
You ain't lying there, Brian. Only on picture though.
What is it? Give me a big crappie.
Is that a channel?
No, that's no channel.
It's a nice little fish, whatever it is.
Hopefully it's a channy.
Catfish.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, man, they're out.
I bet you that's what I had on mine.
Oh, no.
Learn how to tie them hooks, boy.
Come on, Jimmy, I got big.
Yeah, there we go. I think it's a small one. Oh,
That's a kick.
hell yeah.
We got our batteries right there. Shit. Recharge and give them that thing.
Well, we did find a nice snack, so I don't know if we'll find another snack.
Those bubbles industry. Call them Bubble Bill from now on.
Yeah, maybe I could sell it like
You
that.
ain't lying.
Sold their bathwater, you hear me?
I want to change that to your name on Snapchat, Bill. Bill.
Bubble Bass Bill. Come on, channel, where you at? They're definitely out. I don't think I've ever seen. Well, I've only been here twice, but I don't think I've seen a channel cat come out.
I've got channel closer to those booties over there by the dock.
He's smoking a cigarette and blowing bubbles.
Giving them nicotine.
He's trying to kill the damn fish every time. And no one makes him bleed his own blood.
Nobody makes me bleed my own blood. Nobody.
That's it's crappie.
Ooh. Dang.
Come on, I'm not getting it. It's because you keep donating, boy. To get a minnow, you have to be one with the minnows.
You have to blow some bubbles in the...
You gotta put your time in on this boat.
And Bill's doing a pretty good job of that.
Bill got at least.
Bill's got the invite to the next
Bill
couple
got at
boats.
least some tasks right now.
Alright, sun's out, guns out, boys.
Sir.
Not no more.
Alright, never mind.
Bless it, goes my.
I don't hear no bubbles, Bill. That's fucked up.
There you
There
go,
we go.
Bill. That looks like a decent size.
That might be a channel.
Man, he swallowed it. I waited a little too long. Quick. Oh, I got my minnow back too. That's +1.
This is straight carbon monoxide going into the bucket.
Carbon monoxide.
Could have brought you some of the smoky. Feel me, Bill? Get those fish smelling and feeling a little good.
They make it feel like they're swimming in the sky.
Yeah, we both could have been feeling good. Fuck it. I'm all about sharing.
Karen loves sharing.